If you're a landscaper and you've been considering running Facebook ads, now is the best time to get started, and here's why. Meta quietly rolled out a brand new update called Conversion API. And in today's video, we're going to be talking all about how you can use it to drastically increase the quality of your Facebook leads. What's going on, you guys? This is Matt Thibeau here with Savant Marketing Agency. In this video, we're going to be talking all about Conversion API, which is a brand new feature that Meta has just rolled out, and how it can absolutely help you grow your landscaping business with getting more qualified leads from Facebook ads. Maybe you've heard some rumors here and there where basically people will say that Meta ads or Facebook ads, the lead quality is mostly just tire kickers. And that couldn't be anything further from the truth. If you go on our website and see some of our case studies and some of our results, we routinely get really good results using Facebook ads for high ticket services and everything in between. But things have gotten even better now with Conversion API. And I'm going to break down what Conversion API is and how it's valuable for your business. So let's just jump right into things here. So the old way of how Meta used to work in terms of collecting data and being able to implement things that you can control when it comes to conversions would be that you'd set up your ads, put your messaging, your targeting, all of your offers, etc., and you would run those to a lead form. We typically recommend lead forms. It's one of the best methods on Meta for getting a lower cost per lead, etc. So in the past, you would just run straight to a lead form. And the elements of control that you had on that lead form were essentially to add different questions, which is called conditional logic. You could add maybe some different questions and such to qualify the lead. But the problem with that model is that Meta is still only optimizing for quantity and people simply moving through just that form. So essentially all of your conversion data is all front end, right? So you are just optimizing for all front end conversions, which is great because you're getting these leads coming through. But the downside of that is that Meta previously didn't have any data to be able to see what was happening with those leads on the back end. Well, all of that has changed now with the new update. And this is the new way, which is now you can run your ads to your lead forms, which will give you the front end data of what's optimized, what's converting on the front end. But then also you can get the data from the back end of your CRM to see which leads are actually converting into a sale. Now, the reason that this is such a big deal is that now you can actually train Meta's algorithm to be able to see which leads are leading to a sale coming through on your sales pipeline. So not only are you actually optimizing for conversions on the front end, now we can optimize for an entire sales funnel from front to back and be able to make sure that the leads are actually converting on the back end. So essentially what Conversion API does is it allows Meta to be able to talk to your CRM, and then it will actually be able to send that information back and forth and be able to go and find more people like that. So this is a fantastic update. And I want to share it with you because this is what we're rolling out for all of our clients. And trust me, this going forward is going to be the new standard. And if you're not doing this already, you're already falling behind. Now, I want to show you real quick how to set something like this up. I'm not going to actually share my screen and show you step by step what buttons to push. You can use ChatGPT, you can use YouTube and Google for that. These things are going to change over time, but I want to give you the high level concept so then you can just go in and do it yourself. So basically, the way to do this is first, you need to have a great CRM. We recommend for all of our clients, we include it in our program, is using Go High Level. So there are different CRMs. You need to make sure that the CRM that you use is compatible with Conversion API using Meta. So once you have your CRM, what you need to do is make sure that you have 2 pipeline stages in there as well. So you need to have estimate delivered, where you can drag the lead somewhere that will be able to define, okay, we've delivered an estimate to this prospect. And then you need to have another column, which is close sale. And once you have that set up in your CRM, then you're going to want to integrate Meta and your CRM together. So in Go High Level, there's a very simple integration. There's Jobber integration as well, and a couple other CRMs. So you want to see how do you integrate them together so that they can talk to each other. And once you've done that, then what you can do is go in Meta's backend and set up what's called a conversion event and basically tell it, hey, every time that we drag someone to estimate delivered or we drag it to close sale in my CRM, that should be a trigger for you to fire off as a conversion event. And then basically what you're going to do is just start optimizing your campaigns based off of those conversion events. Now, I know like that type of terminology, conversion and blah, 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 sounds very markety, but essentially what we're doing is we're just making sure that they can talk to each other, and we're defining to Facebook, here is what we consider to be a sale, or here's what we consider to be an estimate delivered, right? And what this is going to do, again, is be able to communicate to Facebook, hey, this is what's going on in the sales backend. So then it's going to do its best to be able to send more prospects to you that are more likely to hit that conversion event, right? So this is extremely exciting. Like I said, we're rolling this out for our clients. And like I said as well, if you're not doing this going into 2026, it's definitely going to be a disadvantage for you. So I would definitely recommend to look into this. I want to share it with you into this week's video blog. And if you're watching this right now and you found this video helpful and you're looking forward to implementing something like this, give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe. If you would like to hire our company to implement something like this for you, then my link is in the description below. You can book a call with my team. We'd be happy to speak with you. All right, guys, I'll see you on my next video.